Thanks to an invitation from the Faculty of Natural Sciences of the University of Atacama, we were able to access the Soviet instruments that remained in Chile after the USSR left behind its work in the area after the 1973 coup d'etat. These instruments were hidden in the UDE premises and today constitute a vestige of technology. If you watch our video about the Russian La Peneta Observatory, you will be able to learn more details of how these teams ended up here after an incredible one. History, these telescopes are the last vestiges of the presence of the Soviet Union in the Atacama region when they tried to build an observatory on Cerro de la Peineta.
According to now deceased teachers, these instruments were seized by the Chilean army at Cerro de la Peineta and became part of the nation's overlooked historical treasures. And they moved it to the university and it was stored for a long time in some warehouses. They are the basis of the telescopes. They are extremely robust bases that have all the angles to do tracking and positioning in the center of the telescope to aim at a special location in space.
These ancient pieces are today under the protection of the Department of Physics.
In the 80s, Professors Mario Ibarra and Professor Ricardo Leiva came across these objects. In total, there were 3 telescopes that the Soviets left in the Atacama region. Their industrial appearance, more similar to elements of a ship or a tank than astronomical instruments, differs greatly from the current equipment used to observe the sky.
This specific device, a spectrometer, was once part of an elaborate system for spectral measurements, allowing scientists to analyze light across various frequencies, delving into the mysteries of the universe's composition through painstaking precision.
One of the main characteristics of this equipment is that it was totally autonomous. It could be operated through mechanical systems to track the movement of the stars without remote assistance or digital equipment. A blend of watchmaking precision, mathematics, and heavy industry. These teams continue to captivate the imagination of those who learn of their existence. Did you know this story? Write us your comments and help us spread the word. If you want to know more about the history of astronomy in Atacama, purchase one of our printed copies of the Tierra Culta Astronomy Special.